Hi everyone, my name is Brian Harrison and I'm a Cloud Solution Architect. Welcome to my course Implementing a Bot Framework Solution in Microsoft Azure. This course will provide you with the knowledge that you will need to build an Azure Bot Framework solution. When building your solution, you'll need to understand how to connect it to many different AI and other data-related services, as well as how to deploy it into a productionized environment. All of this knowledge will be provided as part of this course. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to set up your development environment for creating and interacting with a bot framework solution and its connected services, how to deploy and leverage both AI and data-related services within your bot framework solution. When troubleshooting your bot framework solution, what does the API output look like, and how can the bot framework emulator help you make quick changes within those connected services? Once development is complete, what are some of the items that you need to be kept in mind when deploying the bot framework solution into a production environment? So by the end of this course, you should have no problem creating your bot framework solution and understand how to connect in other AI or data-related services, and you definitely should be able to deploy that solution into a production environment.